like you need to go to new entries and you have to give these things whatever client is providing to us. So you can mention statistics currency or you can leave it, and you need to provide all these terms if you have any details given by the customer like client. So this is the sales organization calendar. If you have any the organization is maintaining any calendar, you can provide here, you can assign that particular sales organization calendar. So here uh, purchase data will be integrated in this particular field. So when you provide the purchase organization, plant and purchase group and storage location, movement type, vendor, order type, so the details will get triggered here. If you have any particular vendor is the major vendor, you can provide here. So that will be useful while integrating with to SD. So while you are getting to going to save, it will ask this, the template will get raised. So here you need to provide sales organization. You can provide all these terms and the where the sales organization is located as well, and you can save the data. After saving, you need to assign the sales organization to your respective company code with using SPROIMG. Then you need to go to enterprise and go to sales and distribution. You can assign here the sales organization to company code. So this is my sales organization. I have assigned with the company code. Then go to VKOA for the account determination. So you will be having these type of GL, these type of accounts will be here. So you can click on any one of these uh, uh, steps tables, and then screen will get open like this. So here this V is related to sales, and condition type is KOFI for the account determination. And I have mentioned my chart of accounts here, and I have mentioned my sales organization which I have created, and this is nothing but account assignment group. So you will be having three type of account assignment group as per the SAP standard. So which one is like domestic and foreign and one other thing. So I have mentioned domestic, and this is another type, account assignment group. So here you'll be having some different selections where which you can select according to your goods you are dealing with. Then you have to mention account key. ERL is related to sales revenue. Here ERL and ERF are the account keys which are main in the sales and distribution for the accounting keys. And I have mentioned my GL account, sales revenue GL account. And then you can save and go to VA11 for creating inquiry. So you need to fill these details. Inquiry type, you can choose any one of these, and you have to provide your sales organization plant. So this is the way you have to prepare this thing. So if you have any already inquiry number is created, you can provide that inquiry number. If you don't have any, you can skip this inquiry, and you have to, there will be terms like sold to party and shipped to party. So we need to assign those to our company code. As per that only you can able to move further steps. So after completing the inquiry, the same like with the reference, you can create quotation in the transaction code VA11. There will be further more steps which you need to do, uh, but this is related to sales and distribution team. To do this configuration, it will take a lot much time. So VA21 quotation, with the help of inquiry you can create, or without the reference inquiry you can create. There you need to mention all the details like item overview, item data, everything. Then VL01 is post goods issue, also called as outbound delivery. So you have to mention from which point it is been started the shipping, and what type of order it has been the customer is made it, and from which item to which item you are delivering to the customer, and delivery type you can also maintain. So I have created SOP till here only. So if I get a chance in further session, I will be able to explain completely. Hello.
Bro.
Yes.
Oh,
Yes, Surya.
okay. Can I stop
Uh,
this recording
yeah, you
for
can, you
today?
can. So yes, you can stop. If